Hi everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of app tutorial. In this video, let's take a look at how to share your screen with audio in Messenger. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up your Messenger and start a call. Now whenever you start a call on Messenger, to start sharing your screens, you can just tap on this icon on the bottom and you'll have an option of share right here besides watch. Just tap on this option and tap on start sharing. Tap on minimize call and everything on your screen will start to share. And along with sharing your screen, the other person will still be able to hear anything that you speak. And they will also be able to hear other sounds from your phone, such as videos, so you do not need to manually adjust any settings to share the audio while sharing your screen on Messenger. So that's the exact process on how to share your screen with audio in Messenger. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.